Custom Motorcycles, California. This is the motorcycle get-together and contest at the Cajon Classic Cruise Hot Rod and Motorcycle Show. Happens every Wednesday from about the end of April through the end of October, and it runs from 5 to 8 p.m. There's a lot of great-looking bikes there, and sure a lot of hot rods as well. And they have a different theme every Wednesday evening. It's totally free to participate and also naturally to view. This year, the theme on June 17th is a military tribute. On June 28th is Bike Night. July 1st, American Muscle. And those are just to name a few. If you're into custom motorcycles, be sure to get a free subscription to our popular motorcycle blog. Check the text below. Thanks.